have some cleaning myths that I looked up. And one of them is that you can clean, I guess, anything with baking soda and vinegar, like in a squirt bottle. Well, I have to tell you, it can't be done, only because I cleaned a glass stove top with it, and it left this big white stain on it. And it's at my customer's house, and you know, it's been there for like 2 months now, and I still can't get it off. So I don't know. I just don't think that's true. And then, you know, when you're dusting with it, you're gonna leave a film of baking soda behind. But baking soda is good for clean tubs or toilets or sinks. And here's another myth, that you can clean olive oil with stainless steel or faucets. So let's see if that's true. I mean, it's supposed to come out shiny, so I really don't know. Okay. We have a lot of oil on that. So let's see here. I mean, it does look a little bit shinier, but oh well, maybe. Maybe some shiny. Maybe it's shinier. Okay, let's see if it goes for the sink here. It's not going to get out any rust stains, but it's just supposed to make it look shinier. Oh, it's an old sink, so I don't know what you can do with it. Now I have, in this sink, I guess the painters, when they painted the place, they have paint drippings in here. And let's see if it does anything for paint drippings. I'm not sure if it will. It just might cover it up, and then maybe they'll come back again. But it is making it a little bit more shinier than it was. Okay. Yeah, so I do agree, it does make it shinier. I don't know for how long. Maybe I'll buff it a little bit. Yeah, it does. This one does. You know, it's an old sink, but it does make it a little bit more shiny than usual.